EpiCooler is built around portability, self-contained operation, and accessible controls. These design priorities distinguish it from fixed installation climate systems. EpiCooler is designed for rooms up to 51 square meters, delivering 1.6 kilowatts across both cooling and heating functions. Room conditions such as insulation quality, ceiling height, and sunlight exposure affect how effectively the unit maintains temperature. The heat exchange and PTC systems are engineered to begin active cooling or heating within seconds of startup. Temperature is adjustable in precise increments across the full 16 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius range,